All right, fourth graders, we are in our reading course, and this is your overview video. So we're right here in week 15, the week of November 30th through December 4th. So this week in reading, we are going to focus on that skill main idea that I'm sure you've heard back in third grade, second, all the way down to first grade. We're looking at informational text or nonfiction text to determine what the text is mostly about and key details that support the main idea. When we look at Monday, we're going to have a live meeting for writing and reading at 9 o'clock. If you are not able to attend that meeting, it'll be very important that you watch the recorded lesson that will be uploaded shortly after our live meeting on Monday. We are going to, in our live meeting, complete part of this graphic organizer together using this text right here, Snake Charmer. So we're actually going to talk about this together. We're going to identify the main idea, and then you can see here, step 2, you are going to complete the graphic organizer by identifying 2 key details that support the main idea that we identified. So the question would be then, where do I post that, or how do I upload those 2 key details? You do not need to submit a picture of your graphic organizer. There's a discussion board post right here where you will include those 2 key details. Week 14 vocabulary words and definitions are here, and then your vocab day 1 video. When we go into Tuesday, we are going to have another live meeting at 9 o'clock. Again, same thing. If you are not able to attend, please watch the recording before you get started. Today, during our live meeting, we're going to introduce a text titled Lending an Ear. And after our live meeting, you are going to complete some multiple choice questions, similar to what you see on an FSA assessment. You can use this graphic organizer right here. I've included a separate copy of it each day. So if you would like to use that as you're reading the text Lending an Ear, you may. You do have the vocabulary day 2 video, and of course we encourage you to read for 25 minutes each day. Looking at Wednesday's folder, again, we are going to have our live meeting. However, you see before our live meeting, I'd like you to locate your Large Wonders Reading textbook and open up to page 148. That's the bigger one. Down in the corner, it should say Literature Anthology. You're going to open to this text, Energy in the Ecosystem. If you did not pick up that reading textbook, there is a copy of the text. It's located right here in Wednesday's folder. After our meeting, you are going to read this text, Energy in the Ecosystem, and you are going to answer the multiple choice questions that are located here. After that, you have your day 3 vocabulary video, and again, reading for 25 minutes. On Thursday, during our live meeting, we're going to talk about those multiple choice questions that you answered for Energy in an Ecosystem. If you were not able to attend, please watch the recorded lesson. After our live lesson, you are going to read Flying with a Tiger. The text is located here, and here's a copy of that main idea graphic organizer. If you would like to use that as a tool while you are reading this text, you may do so. You are not required to submit a picture or upload that completed graphic organizer anywhere. You are going to answer these multiple choice questions about the text Flying with a Tiger, and then watch our day 4 vocabulary video. Finally, on Friday, during our live meeting, we're going to discuss those questions from Flying with a Tiger. Then we are going to ask that you watch the day 5 vocabulary review video. These are 5 words that you previously learned. Then you are going to complete the vocabulary week 13 and 14 quiz and read for 25 minutes. If you have any questions about reading this week, please reach out to me as soon as possible. Thanks.